Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th chemistry chapter types of chemical changes and chemical reactions. Part 5. In this our second topic is decomposition reactions or decombination reactions. And the definition of this reaction is: this is a type of reaction in which the original substance splits to give more than one new substance is called decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is generally represented as AB to A plus B. Decomposition reactions are also called decombination reactions. And the examples are decomposition of sodium bicarbonate, decomposition of sodium bicarbonate, and second is decomposition of glucose. The classification of decomposition reactions are also there. Now the third reaction is displacement reaction. Third reaction is displacement reaction. So the third reaction definition is the reaction in which an element displaces another element from a substance is called displacement reaction, and it is represented as AB plus C, AC plus B. And the examples are formation of potassium chloride from potassium iodine and chlorine. Second example is formation of ferric chloride from the hydrochloric acid. After that, the thing is of metal displacement reaction. Most of the metals are quite reactive and hence occur in the nature in form of their ionic compounds like metal chlorides or metal oxides. Some of these reactive metals are Al, Fe, Cr, Sn, Zn, etc. But a few metals like Cu, Ag, Au are non-reactive but exist in pure state. There is metal reactive series. The metal reactive series contains metals arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity as shown, like potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, platinum. And we say them like potassium is more reactive than sodium. Sodium is more reactive than calcium. Calcium is more reactive than magnesium. Magnesium is more reactive than aluminium. Aluminium is more reactive than zinc. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Iron is more reactive than tin. Tin is more reactive than lead. Lead is more reactive than hydrogen. Hydrogen is more reactive than copper. Copper is more reactive than mercury. Mercury is more reactive than silver. Silver is more reactive than gold. Gold is more reactive than platinum. The most reactive metals in this series is potassium and the least reactive metal is gold. I hope you understood this metal reactivity series and two types of chemical reactions. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th. Also, links are given in the description of this video. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood this video. Thank you for watching.